Here is a Amazfit Band 5 and you have an issue when you lift up your wrist or you flick it, the screen doesn't come on. I'm going to show you how to get you up and running, okay? So first thing is go to your Zep app. So go to the Zep app right here, and then from here make sure you tap on Profile down here, and then up here where it says Amazfit Band 5, let's tap on that. And now let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and you should see lift wrist to view info, okay? Currently you see mine is off here. Let's tap on that. So take note that, you know, you may even have yours on, but you can also schedule it too to a certain time, okay? So what I like to do is I like to keep it on all day. Also, response speed, its default is on normal. If you want to, you can go ahead and tap it on sensitive. I like to leave mine on sensitive. This way it's just every single time I lift up my my wrist or I twist it, let me wait for it to turn off, and I twist it, it's going to turn right back on. Now the thing is, if you have all day on there and it's still not coming on when you twist or lift up your wrist, next thing you want to do is try to do this. Go to your clock face, and we're going to go ahead and restart this. So go to clock face, scroll down once, go to more, and then from here scroll all the way up until you see settings here. Then we'll tap on settings, and then it's going to scroll down until you see reboot. See reboot right there. To proceed reboot, tap on the check mark. To cancel, click on the X. We're going to go ahead and reboot. Oops, we're going to reboot right there. Go ahead and let it reboot. See the Amazfit logo. Now go ahead and also reboot your phone, and then go back to your band and see if it's finally working. All right, good luck guys.